Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create digital wall art prints and I'm going to show you how to do it on canva.com website, on their creation tools and so on. So first of all, what you need to know is the sizing and the ratio of your wall art print. So here you can see the sizes. So for example, if you want to create an A4 size, you're gonna find on Etsy A4 size document. Also for 2:3 ratio, here are some sizing, 3:4 ratio, sizing in inches and some in centimeters. So today I'm gonna just choose A4 for the sake of this video, to create a A4 sizing wall art print. So I'm just gonna write down here A4, and here is a portrait or a landscape. So I'm just gonna choose portrait, and I'm gonna open a new window. So here it is, and now you have to create your own art here on Canva. So I'm gonna go to creativefabrica.com. I use it all the time, and here I will download some of the elements which I want to include into my wall art, because they have way more than, for example, Canva here on elements. Also, if you want to sell this digital art, I wouldn't suggest to use graphics from Canva only. For example, if you want to sell this one and you just leave it like that, write down some wording, for example, and then you want to sell this, you cannot do this because it's a copyright, because you didn't change anything. Of course, if you would create digital wall art, for example, with like 10 of the graphics like this, 10 of those, you write down something, then you should be okay. So just keep in mind and read the Canvas licenses. So for today, I want to create something for Halloween maybe. So let's then write down Halloween clip art on Creative Fabrica, and I'm just gonna download the designs I like. So for example, let's choose this one. As you can see, it's commercial and full POD usage allowed, so you can use this for your print on demand business also. And now I will have to upload it here on Canva. Now that the elements have uploaded, I'm just gonna choose some of those, and I will create some wall art. Also, I think we should do a frame around it. It would look way better, but let's try to use these elements. So you can definitely create ones with canvas elements if you want to. I just prefer using Creative Fabrica, so the designs would be the ones which not everyone uses. And yeah. So for example, let's put it right here. And basically you will put your elements anywhere you want. And here I just added some elements randomly. You can also change the background of it, of course, to not leave it just white. Maybe let's make something like that. Also, you can add to your elements, to your images, you can click on edit photo, and then you can edit the photo here. Also, for example, for the free version of Canva, you can add some effects and also add some filters. use mockups and so on. So this is one way how you can do a digital wall art print. And yeah, that's basically how you create it. When you choose your size, as you can see, I have created a A4 size document. You can also, if you have a Canva Pro, you can resize it with Magic Switch, and you can here write down the resizing options and edit the design like that. And after you created your design, you basically just click on download. For the printing, I would choose PDF print, of course. It will be better quality. And if you have Canva Pro, you definitely choose this one, best for professional printing. But for this, I'm just gonna choose this one. You can also, of course, choose a PNG, but PDF print would be a better quality one. So that's pretty much it. If you like this video, please leave a like. I will leave the Creative Fabricas link in the description below for you to check it out. They have really cool designs, fonts, graphics, and so on. And yeah, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye!